Hello, and thank you for watching the Approval Warehouse presentation for the new ReadyReserve account. The ReadyReserve account protects your business by providing you access to cash when you need it. What is ReadyReserve? ReadyReserve provides coverage for businesses by making funds available within 48 hours to be used at the owner's discretion, whether it's for an emergency, to cover a shortfall, or to maintain daily operation. The ReadyReserve account provides access to cash when business owners absolutely need it. There are no monthly premiums, there are no broker fees, there are no fees until funds are requested, and you can get coverage up to $250,000. The coverage amount is based on your business sales. Business owners can't afford to look for money when an emergency arises. With ReadyReserve, your money is only 48 hours away. Whether it's a natural disaster, an equipment failure or breakdown, or just something you need to grow your business, your ReadyReserve is there when you need it, so you don't have to beg a bank or anybody else for money. The ReadyReserve is not insurance, therefore there is no monthly premium, there are no fees, no broker fees, and no setup fees. Having access to funds is essential for any business owner in today's economy, so they can take advantage of opportunities when they arise. Personal credit is not an issue with the ReadyReserve, and the ReadyReserve serves as protection for businesses. Therefore, funds provided are not reported to any credit bureaus and will never interfere with a business owner's ability to obtain financing, whether for the business or personally. Again, you can get coverage up to $250,000. Reporting is available online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, providing this critical information to a business owner on their ReadyReserve account. There is no limit to the frequency of funding requests, and there are no spending restrictions. The coverage amount is based upon your monthly sales volume. The coverage is now up to 125% of your monthly credit card sales volume, and it can increase by as much as 10% a month, giving ReadyReserve clients immediate access to cash when they need it most. The payback process is simple and provides revolving coverage. A small percentage of each credit card sale is held back and applied to pay the amount due, which instantly increases availability. The total payback amount is determined by multiplying a factor rate, typically 1.375, by the total amount received. This is not interest, and there are no additional fees. To ensure maximum coverage, availability continues to grow as funds are replenished. For every dollar that is replenished, 73 cents is immediately available in your ReadyReserve account. Payback is only made when credit card sales are processed, and there are no fixed monthly payments. The holdback percentage varies based upon the business's remaining availability according to the following schedule. If there is more than 65% of the ReadyReserve available, the payback or holdback percentage is 10% of your credit card transactions. If there is between 35 and 65% available in your ReadyReserve account, the holdback percentage is 20%. If there's less than 35% available, the holdback percentage is 25%. An example would be on a $10,000 ReadyReserve account. If you have $6,500 or more available to you, your holdback would be 10%. If you have between $3,500 and $6,500 available in your account, the holdback percentage would be 20%. If you have less than $3,500 available, or if you have taken more than $6,500, your holdback percentage would be 25%. Very simple, very easy. There is a client portal that's available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, where you can view your exact coverage availability at any time. You can request funds 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can have those funds deposited into a prepaid MasterCard, or funds can be deposited directly into a bank account. There is daily reporting and email and text alerts. Who qualifies? Well, businesses that are face-to-face with their customers and deliver a product or service at the time of sale are our perfect customers. Most retail, restaurants, auto repair, mechanics, tire sales, doctors, dentists, plumbers, electricians, etc., the list goes on, are perfect customers for the Approval Warehouse ReadyReserve. Most business types will qualify as long as they are processing a minimum average of $3,500 a month in credit card transactions, excluding American Express, over the last 3 months. If you're a seasonal business, we're going to have to average that out over a 12-month period. The business must be 12 months old, and the business must have at least 12 months remaining on a lease. For those who don't meet those criteria, there is Tier 2 coverage, and of course we want to try to make coverage available to all businesses. So for the Tier 2 coverage is for new businesses or the non-qualifying businesses, and you can still get coverage between $1,000 and $10,000. The factor rate is 1.495, and the holdback percentage is fixed at 25 or 30%. The ReadyReserve approves over 95% of businesses, and it is our mission to make sure all businesses who qualify have access to this coverage. New businesses must be open for 30 days, must be processing credit card transactions between 10 and 15 days a month, and must be able to exhibit sales potential. It's also for business owners who are struggling with some conditions such as a sub 500 FICO score, a current delinquency on a mortgage or foreclosure, a current delinquency or repossession of an auto, an outstanding tax lien with no written agreement to pay, or just has been in business for under 12 months. This is a perfect program for those business owners to establish credit, get the business coverage they need until they meet the main criteria. Who does not qualify? Well, internet businesses, home-based businesses, business owners with open bankruptcies, and businesses that are on the ReadyReserve restricted list. For access to this list, please contact your account executive. Let's go through some frequently asked questions so we can get you on your way to applying for your ReadyReserve account today. So again, a ReadyReserve account is coverage that every business owner needs so they can have access to cash when they need it and don't have to go around applying to banks when their business is least likely to be approved for a loan. Who qualifies? 95% of all business owners who apply for the ReadyReserve qualify. ReadyReserve accounts can range from $1,000 to $250,000, and there is no collateral needed to get a ReadyReserve account. It is an unsecured line of credit. Your proven business track record vis-a-vis your credit card sales determine the amount of your coverage. What is the cost of funds? Well, we don't charge interest. We do charge a factor rate. How do I have access to my funds? Funds are easily accessible by submitting a funding request online. There is no fee when funds are deposited into your prepaid MasterCard. There's a $25 fee when the funds are deposited into your bank account. How long does it take to get the funds from your account? Well, between 24 and 48 hours when they're deposited directly to your prepaid MasterCard, between 5 and 7 days to your bank account. Is ReadyReserve reported to any credit bureaus? No, it's not. Funds are not reported to any of the main 3 credit bureaus. Can ReadyReserve protect my business? Well, of course. The ReadyReserve is in place to protect your business with funds when you need them. None of these transactions will appear on your personal credit report. You can pay early, but again, we don't charge interest, so there is no discount for paying early. How do you pay the money back? By a schedule, depending on the amount that you have currently available in your ReadyReserve account. The holdback on your credit card transactions will be between 10 and 35%, depending on the schedule. There is no need to ever renew your ReadyReserve account, and the funds are there when you need it. Are there any restrictions to how your ReadyReserve can be used? And the answer is no. The ReadyReserve funds are there at the discretion of the business owner. How do you apply? Simply complete a short ReadyReserve application with your Approval Warehouse account executive. So how do you get started? Get back to the account executive who sent you to this presentation. Fill out the short application and get started on your way to providing the coverage your business needs by getting an Approval Warehouse ReadyReserve account. Have a great day.